tomorrow. Homework's not due tomorrow. Yes, but your practice is on. What? That's much more harder. Now, sweeties, get your pencil and write. Fine, I'll write first since I'm the youngest. You're a very good girl. Homework due tomorrow. You're in kindergarten, right? You guys are in kindergarten, right? Yeah, so you have to write from A to Z. That's your homework. Oh, okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, now write that again. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Good, sweetie. You must have really liked ABC. Yes, I love ABC. In this form, your sister doesn't need to do any homework. She just hates it. Of course I do. Let me sign up. Wait, there. Doing this and we're doing this. Mommy, is that all? Yes. I'm just going to write a note for my teacher. My teacher teach me A, B, C in French. May my teacher teach me the ABC in French? Okay, write that again, baby. I think that's so unclear. Okay. Yeah, right. I'm just going to write a note. What's your teacher's name again? What's your teacher's name again? Mrs. Flower. Mrs. Flower. Can you teach me A, B, C in French? Mrs. Flower, can you? Okay, can you teach me ABC in French? Enough. And here's your activity book you're going to play on after you're done writing. It's called Jumbo Coloring and Activity Book. Hey, Mom, that's the activity book I play on when I do the homework. That's not fair. Well, you're not doing your homework, that's why. Can I color this? Of course, it's your activity book now, not hers. Maybe I could wait. Mommy, I want to do it in my room. Okay, sweetie. Mommy, please. I love music. Which way do I go? Start. This way. This way, this way, this way. Yes! I win! Pony Palace? Pony Palace Twilight. Pony Palace Twilight. Pony Palace Rarity. Stars. Walk it out like Granny. Mommy, lots of paper. I could draw on. There. Many. Rainbow. I'm gonna draw a rainbow today. Okay. Rainbow that way, and I draw rainbow like this way now. Book of paper not gone. Rainbow.